Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Dawn. I brought our friend Bug to talk to you today about being brave. Did you know that sometimes you have to be afraid to be brave? Bug is sometimes shy. If you look at shy, there's his shy face. And then if you look, sometimes Bug is scared, and that's his scared face. But sometimes you have to be shy or scared in order to be brave. We're beginners at a lot of things, and sometimes when we're beginners, we're afraid of things. Like, say, the first time you got on your bicycle and maybe you took the training wheels off, you might have been afraid, but you were brave because you went out and tried it, and you probably learned how to do it. Were you afraid that first time you had to walk into class and you didn't know anybody? You were afraid, but you were brave. And most of you walked in and were smiling and put your backpacks up. You were brave. Might have been afraid, but you showed how to be brave, just like Bug does. Bug is cautious, but when he spreads his wings, he's being very brave. There's a lot of things in life that we're afraid of, like maybe the first time you went to the dentist, or maybe when you go to the dentist because you don't know what's going to happen. You might have a cavity, but you might be afraid to go, but it's okay because you're brave when you get there. Or you might have to be brave to say goodbye to a grandparent that's going back home, or a daddy that's going on a business trip, or a friend. Sometimes you have to be brave to say goodbye because you know you're going to miss them. You might be afraid of saying goodbye, but you're brave. Have you ever been in your bed at night and there's a thunderstorm? You might be afraid, but you're always brave because you know you're safe at home. Have you ever gone on a nature walk? Go on a nature walk and you see bugs. If you see a spider, you might be afraid, but you're brave because you want to look at it. You want to see the bug. Have you ever gone to a water park and had to be brave? You were afraid of going down that water slide at first, but then you got brave and you went down it. Had so much fun. There's a lot of things in life that when we first encounter them or get to them, we're afraid, but we're brave. So what Miss Dawn's telling you and what Bug's telling you is go out and be brave today. It's okay to be afraid, but be brave too.